Now, dear students, we want to generate bill of material from our this Kicad project. So for generating the bill of material, you can go over here on the tools, and in the tool tab, under the tool tab, you can see that we have this generate BOM, which means bill of material. Click on this. This gives us three types of script to generate bill of materials. Um so let's just I want to prefer to use this script to generate bill of material. Choose this script and simply click on the generate and wait. It now says that the success, which means that bill of material is now generated, and this bill of material is present in our project folder in this Excel format. This is the bill of material which we have just generated using the tool and generate bill of material. Let me show you, but double click this and let's just open this. Now you can see over here that this is the bill of materials that we have just generated, and let me close this. And these are list of all the components with their values and the quantity that we have just used. You can use any of the scripts that are provided by the Kicad for generating your bill of material. Even you can add your own script over here, which you have to write in Python language to make the bill of material as per your desired format. Another way to generate the bill of material is to use the symbol field table. Over here you can see this, that this is the symbol field table. Click over here, and these are all the list of symbols and with the values and the footprint that is used in our project. So simply export, click on this export as CSV. This will give you a list of all the items that are used in this. Let's say I want to save on the desktop, and let's just save this, and let's see how this looks. Let's just double click on this file, and you can see this is the list of all the components that we have used in the in our project. This is the reference designator that are provided, and this is the list of all the values that we have of this reference designator. This is the footprint and the quantity that is used in this. So you can even change the setting, like if you want to group by, let's say, value, and let's say if we don't want footprints, we only want reference designator, value and quantity, and we have grouped by. Let's see how our file looks. Let me first of all delete this, so that okay, let me first of all close this one, then this will get deleted. And let's just export this this list with the reference values and quantity. Let's click on this export as CSV. Again, I'm going to choose desktop and just save it, and let's see how our this arrangement looks in the Excel sheet. So over here you can see that as we have chosen the setting of grouping by value, which means that same value, like if there are capacitor like C6 and C8 of 0.33 microfarad, then they are grouped in a single row, which means that over here you can see that C6 and C8 both have this one value as 0.33 microfarad. Similarly, C17 and C18 have a 100 microfarad value, and the quantities are given over here. So this is another way to generate your bill of material. Let me just close this, Let me just cancel this. And now another method to generate bill of material is by going to, let's say, go to PCB editor over here. Let's just wait till it loads the PCB editor. So this is the PCB of the project. Currently we are just discussing the, basically we are discussing the Kicad software. We are not discussing the project, but we are discussing the Kicad software. So from over here you can use generate bill of material by going to file, and in the fabrication output, you can go over here to bill of materials. And let's just save on the desktop. Let me first of all delete this so that it don't fonts, there shouldn't be any conflict of the name of the same file. So let's just choose desktop and choose this file, and let's just save this. Already exists, let's just replace this, and let's minimize, and let's double click this to see our bill of materials. So by generating bill of material from the using the PCB editor over here, as you see, while going to file, fabrication output, and to bill of materials, doing this way we don't have the control over the over our mat list. As you can see in the previous section, the first method was using the script. We had 3 scripts to generate our desired bill of material. The second method was to use the field tables, symbol field tables, where we have grouped them using their values. But using the PCB editor we don't have any control over the mat list. So this is the mat list over here, which you can see have given us the reference designator and footprint, quantity and designations, suppliers and reference over here. So the method which I prefer to generate bill of materials is by, let me just close this PCB editor. I personally prefer to generate bill of materials by just going to tools and generate a bill of materials, and the second method which I prefer is this one, by going to symbol field tables and group your with the help of your values, and you can export as CSV. So hope you find this helpful for generating bill of materials of your project.